Hi, my name is Amy from Korean Things.
Hi, I'm Sam.
In today's lesson, we'll be teaching you about how to make a negative sentence. There are two ways to make the sentences that sound negative. First, you can simply put Korean negation an before a verb, or you can add negative ending 지 않다 to a verb stem. Which way you use, the meaning of the sentence will be the same, but the difference is the verb ending 지 않다 sounds a little more formal, so you can use it when you write a Korean essay. Today we'll only focus on Korean negation an, which is a shortened version of 아니. Mostly an goes to before a verb. Today we're going to make sets of question and answer to see how this Korean negation an is used in a sentence. First, we just made a English sentence like, did you watch a movie yesterday? So we are going to change this English sentence into Korean sentence. Mostly when you make a sentence in English, do, does, or did go to the front of the sentence. But when we make a question type in Korean, firstly we put subject and then object and then a verb at the end. So we're going to make a statement like this. So you is 당신은. So we put subject first, and then we have to put object. Object is a movie. So
영화를
right after this object, we usually put object marker 를 or 을. The last syllable of 영화 doesn't have any 받침, so we are going to use 를. So 영화를. This is the past sentence, so we are going to use 봤어요. We've already learned these kinds of past tenses in the previous class. So we put 봤어요. Could you read the whole sentence, please?
당신은 영화를 봤어요.
This is a basic statement sentence in Korean. But when you make this sentence into a question type, what you do is just put a question mark at the end. And you also have to raise your tone of your voice at the end of the sentence. Then,
당신은 영화를 봤어요?
당신은 영화를 봤어요? And this sentence is grammatically correct sentence, right? But we don't say like this in a casual situation. We omit many things from Korean sentence. For example, when we refer to a second person, we don't say 당신은. So we omit this part, okay? Instead, we put name of the person. I'll put Sam, your name. And also we omit object marker as well. The rest part is this. Sam, 영화 봤어요? Sam, 영화 봤어요? Is, did you watch a movie, Sam? Did you watch a movie, Sam? We still need to change 어제. So yesterday is 어제. Normally the time or place goes to the end of the sentence. But in Korean sentence, we usually put this adverb right after a subject. So, Sam, 어제 영화 봤어요?
Sam, 어제 영화 봤어요?
Sam, 어제 영화 봤어요? So this is the question of, did you watch a movie yesterday, Sam?
Yeah.
Right? So we're going to make an answer for this question. Answer will be like, I didn't watch a movie yesterday. We need a subject I. So I is
나.
나. And we need a subject marker 는. So 나는. And 어제 still stays here. 영화 stays here as well. We're going to make negative sentence, not question type. So drop a question mark. One we need to add is negation. We need Korean negation an. And we are going to add an just before a verb 봤어요. Watched.
Yeah. 나는 어제 영화 안 봤어요.
나는 어제 영화 안 봤어요. The casually, you can also say like this.
나 어제 영화 안 봤어요.
나 어제 영화 안 봤어요. And if you want to say this to an older person than you have to change the subject from 나 to 저. 저 어제 영화 안 봤어요.
Yeah. 저 어제 영화 안 봤어요.
But if you want to say it to your friend, you can use 나. But at the same time, you have to drop 요.
나 어제 영화 안 봤어.
나 어제 영화 안 봤어.
Let's compare two different tenses with the Korean negation 안. The verbs I used here have been already introduced in our previous videos. 난 자요. 난 자요. 난 앉아요. 난 앉아요. 난 잤어요. 난 잤어요. 난 앉았어요. 난 앉았어요. 난 살아요. 난 살아요. 난 안 살아요. 난 안 살아요. 난 살았어요. 난 살았어요. 난 안 살았어요. 난 안 살았어요. 우리 엄마는 와요. 우리 엄마는 와요. 우리 엄마는 안 와요. 우리 엄마는 안 와요. 우리 엄마는 왔어요. 우리 엄마는 왔어요. 우리 엄마는 안 왔어요. 우리 엄마는 안 왔어요. 우리 엄마는 입어요. 우리 엄마는 입어요. 우리 엄마는 안 입어요. 우리 엄마는 안 입어요. 우리 엄마는 입었어요. 우리 엄마는 입었어요. 우리 엄마는 안 입었어요. 우리 엄마는 안 입었어요. But when you add an to a 하다 verb, you should put an just before 하다 verb, like 안 하다, 안 해요, or 안 했어요. 쌤은 운전해요. 쌤은 운전해요. 쌤은 운전 안 해요. 쌤은 운전 안 해요. 쌤은 운전했어요. 쌤은 운전했어요. 쌤은 운전 안 했어요. 쌤은 운전 안 했어요. We usually omit the subject I or you in a conversation.
쌤, 어제 모자 샀어요?
아니요. 어제 모자 안 샀어요.
쌤, 어제 영화 봤어요?
아니요. 어제 영화 안 봤어요.
쌤, 어제 일기 썼어요?
아니요. 어제 일기 안 썼어요.
쌤, 오늘 아침 먹었어요?
아니요. 오늘 아침 안 먹었어요.
쌤, 어제 목욕했어요?
아니요. 어제 목욕 안 했어요.
쌤, 어제 방 청소했어요?
아니요. 어제 방 청소 안 했어요.